is Kantini. My project is bioplastic. Bioplastics or required all carbons of renewable feedstocks. They may or may not be biodegradable. Bio-based plastics are both renewable and natural substances. Bio-based carbons include both plants and animals mass, including carbon dioxide. Bioplastics are used in most of the appliances such as cups, plates, bags, and other packaging materials. Bioplastics can be produced by petroleum gases and natural things. So please increase the use of bioplastics. Thank you.